want to do removal of the radiator, and to remove the radiator, there are different places that you need to dismember so that you can remove the radiator. Now, please take it closer. This is down hose, and this is the up hose. So we'll have to dismember both to be able to remove them and drain out the water. And please go down. We have a bolt down here and another one on the other side, so that you can dismember the body of the radiator. And also we have a clip here that holds the fan guard. Another one on this side. You pull out, and this one is off. Then the screwdriver. I just finished losing it before I started this video, so I will lose out here. Then I will pull out. There's no more water because I just finished draining. Then I have to dismember this. It's not enough. Okay, it's out. You can see the dirt. The radiator is dirty. That is why we want to take it for steam cleaning. Now we have to lose the nuts from the down parts. It's a 13 nut, which is 13 mm nut, and there's the nut. Same with the other side. Since we've been able to remove this side, we have to lose this. But this one now is bad, so we have to just take it out like that. So what we have to do now